everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we will show you how to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig playing outdoors. Let's draw and paint together. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose and the shape of his head. And these are his ears. Next, we're drawing his eyes, mouth, and a small circle on his cheek. I draw his body, his legs, and his arms. George Pig is wearing roller skates. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. Next, we're drawing Peppa Pig's head. Next, we draw Peppa Pig's eyes, mouth, and a circle on the cheek. Now we are drawing Peppa Pig's body. Peppa Pig is riding a bicycle, and we are drawing this bicycle. Peppa Pig is a lovable but slightly bossy little pig. She is 4 years old and lives with Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and her little brother George. Peppa likes playing with her best friend Susie Sheep, visiting Granny and Grandpa Pig, and looking after George. Most of all, Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles, laughing and making loud snorting noises. We're drawing a cloud here. And here it's a flock of birds in flight. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid.
Pink.
George is Peppa's little brother. He is 18 months old and loves to play with his big sister Peppa, even when she's being bossy. George's favorite thing is his toy dinosaur. He carries it everywhere with him. George can't speak yet, but can say one word very well. Dinosaur!
Blue. Red.
Pink.
Peppa Pig rides a bicycle, and George Pig rides roller skates. George Pig leads and Peppa Pig follows. Both play happily together.
Yellow.
You can use any color you like to color the picture. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me.
Blue.
Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? Wow! I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.